Hey, what's up? I have a Marvel Collector Corps Secret War. It's Thor. These come in about every 2 months, and yeah, excited to open it. Cool. I wait for 2 other ones to come in too. Alright. First thing we see is it's like a little comic. I don't know if you guys see it. Zoom in on that. Cool. And they give you a pen. Kind of like a badge, I suppose. Welcome to the Marvel Collector Corps. Oh, cool. First thing is a t-shirt. Now these boxes are pretty expensive. They're about 30 bucks each. Oops. Voila. Secret Wars. Pretty cool t-shirt. They look like pop figures. Probably are. So that's that. Gotta pick up my box again. Looks like a comic book. Secret Wars. That's the theme, so. Whoa. That's pretty cool. Exclusive pop figure of Thor. So that's pretty cool. Look at that. See Spider-Man here. Pop figure. Cool. And what do you know? Bam. Got both of them. Look at that. Huh. Other than that, that's it. That's it for the box. Pretty cool box. I like the t-shirt, the comic book, the 2 pop figures. Yeah, I think it's a pretty awesome box.